This is personal communication networks. Now, what are the types of the network we will discuss in this video? First of all, we have to understand the term topology. These are the arrangements of cables and network adapters node known as topology. Means what is the arrangement, what is the shape of the cables, either they form through the central location or form through the parallel location or into the circular location, whatever the shape of the network can be said as a topology. So we have almost we have to study three topologies, basic topologies, and they can be combined as a known as a mesh topology. So there is we can see this is a star topology. In a star topology, each computer is directly connected via a central or a host type of the device, and then into the ring we can see there is a ring and packets go through the circular weight. So each computer had could access its data through a mechanism known as token passing. So token passing is used here, and in that mechanism, all the computers may receive that data. This is known as ring, and this is the base bus. It was introduced in the very early version of the topology that computers were connected initially by using the bus. Bus is the slower one, and then this is the fastest, and this is has the medium range. Nowadays, this topology has been also converted into the Wi-Fi type of the areas. So wide area networks, we have to understand when a network that connects sites disperse across the states, countries, or the continents. So it is a wide area network, means the network of the networks. Lots of networks can be combined. Our network is also part of the wide area network at this time when we are connected to the internet. Whenever we are connecting through our modem, through our switches, Wi-Fi, or the SIM, they can be access the wide area network at a particular time. So the www dot is a sign. Wide area network is also known as an acronym. So there are two. There is a common carrier, a company that finishes public communication facilities for a voice and data transmission, and another is T carrier that is a very high speed channel designed for use the backbone of the networks for point to point connection of the locations. Now the common carrier is also shared with us. However, the T carrier is given to basic companies like the banking sectors, like the U-phone services center, like these are the main things where the T carrier is given, whereas the common carrier can be shared by any company very easily. So in the local area network, a network that interconnects computers and communication devices within the office or site of office typically spans a distance of few hundred feet or several miles. So it is a limited type of the connection that interconnects the computers through the communication devices. For example, there is a human resource department and then the accounting department. The network between them is that can reconnect them could be the local area network. So workstation or desktop computer connected to a network, so connected in that sense that the workstation could be the or station or the node from or the location from where we have been provided a connection. So it could be from anywhere. So it must be connected to the server or may not be connected to the server. In case of the business application, running of a business application, then must be uh, it would be the connection that provides the mechanism by using the server applications. A computer that hosts a network and provides the resources that are shared on the network. So server is a computer which is responsible to provide the resources uh, that are shared on the network. For example, a World Wide Web, we have the some websites. For example, the Google's website, the YouTube. So there is a YouTube server, Facebook server, WhatsApp server. Now these servers are responsible to share their resources. We use their hard disk, we use their spaces in order to send and receive the data. And the file server is that particularly companies where they keep or their particular type of the files in order to access the data efficiently. So this is one of the advertising company. You can see there are these are the workstations, and they have the different works, so they can do the any activity. So they can access the central printer as well, and they have the printer they can share for this. So a local area network in the advertising department can be accessed in that particular type of the network as well. Another type of the network is metropolitan area network, a network that transmits data and information over the city-wide distances and at greater speeds than a lane. Now, in this sense, we can see that metropolitan area network now being used in the mobile communication. The routing service provides from one city to another city, means we have the tower range, and in that particular type of tower range, we have to think that routing is being performed automatically, and we can transmit our data efficiently. So network channels, we will discuss that physical channels are those where the cables are involved. Now, one type of the cable is that transmits the data by using the twisted pair and the coaxial cable. A physical communication channel that uses strands a copper wire twisted together in the pairs to form a telephone wire. So mostly used by the telephone connection, and another is coaxial cable, a physical communication channel that uses one or more central wires, conductors surrounded by the insulator that encased in either a mesh metal sheeting. So main thing is that in the twisted pair there are less insulation. We can see our cable wires, cable TV's wire that has also some sort of the insulations, and in that particular type, that twisted pair has a less insulation. So in form of the eight wires combination, the channel uses at least eight combination in case of the digital network, and either in the form of the bunch of wires. So the physical matter channels can be the coaxial. So one term is baseband cable, another term is broadband cable. So baseband has a limited capability to carry the messages. Broadband can have the multiple signals as well, the voice, data, video simultaneously. So baseband can be said that has less medium. We have, for example, a highway having the one line, means the capacity on only the one line traffic has to go, and the same way is for the returning. But in the broadband cable, in the broadband highway, multiple lines, one way road for dedicated for the ongoing traffic, and returning traffic has the different one. So this is the example of the broadband cable as well. So it works like that. The fiber optic cable, a physical communication channel that uses the light of the glass fibers. This is a very high speed cable, and it has it works upon the reflection of the cable as well. Thank you very much for your kind listening, and keep continue. We can have the access of some important videos as well.